Nice. I'm stuck. Okay. Okay, let's put it in reverse. Yeah, no spark. That's definitely what that is, because I smell the gas. Oh yeah, I smell all gas. So my guess is gonna be these things are notorious for the distributor to go bad. So this Corvette's been sitting for a long time. So I think it just had enough. So I'm stuck. I gotta push it to the house. Exercise for the week. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Hey, I thought Corvettes were light. They can pull a muscle. I'm still in the middle of the road. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. All right, at least I'm out of the road. Oh, wait a minute. There could be another possibility. The wire harness was oh shoot. Really, Ernesto? So the bracket on this thing, you see, that's what happened. The bracket on this thing broke, so the computer is just hanging. So what happened, this thing came loose. That's what happened. At least I did all the exercise for the day. So I think it's gonna start. This is gonna be fun if this thing starts. Well, at least I didn't push it all the way to the house. Okay, so I guess there was nothing wrong with it. It was just my my cockiness of saying, oh, it broke already, and it was my mistake. I gotta get, that's one thing I gotta do. I gotta get that bracket so I can mount the computer. All right, so we're in business again. We are in business. Let's see if we can disengage the clutch. At least if it doesn't start again, then we know what's going on. You cannot make this stuff up. Jesus. Man, I wish there was Desi, where are you? You should have been here so you can film me. Having a hard time. Ugh. Okay. Nope. It's still messed up. Okay, so we gotta shut it off. Put it in gear. Okay, let's see. That's first. Come out. Go to the middle. That's third gear. Come out. Go that way. And that's fifth. So yeah, I am in first gear. Man, this thing got a long first gear. Sorry, guys. I can't open this window, so I can only open that window. I am hot, and I don't think the AC works because I keep hitting the AC and I don't think it works. Nothing blowing. What the fuck? Is it stuck in gear? Yeah, it's stuck in gear.
How the hell is that?
Here's Wing! Wing, how in the hell? What the hell is going on with this damn Chevy? What happened if it was a 4 what?
It would be able to come out of gear.
You guys guessed it. He's a 4 man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's stuck in gear. It's crazy.
Weird.
It did start right up. I changed a fuel pump and it just one start.
Really?
It started right up. It was a little, you know, it was going and then it just.
I know he drove it not too long ago.
So I was hoping that the clutch will, because the clutch is stuck in the what do you call it? The flywheel, right? That's what's going on.
What is this, 4-speed?
No, it's a 6-speed. Come on, 4-speed. What the? What are you, 1960?
I
Jesus
would not.
Christ.
It's a Chevy.
And then, no, you want to hear something funny? Oh, look, I got any. I have that thing is leaking. It's overheating, I guess. I got some antifreeze.
Did you check the fluids and everything?
Well, don't open that.
No, I mean, I know.
Yeah, I check all the fluid. It had fluids.
Did you fill it?
No, I
checked it?
yeah, I checked and it has some. So I wonder the water pump. No, the water pump still hasn't. I gotta change that damn water pump. This came loose and it wouldn't run. And I say, oh man, it got messed up. And then I realized, put it back on. And
brain.
yeah, the computer. Hey, don't pee on my car.
Piss on it.
Yeah.
Piss on it.
All right, Wayne. So basically,
To get home,
I
have to push you.
I need a little push. Yeah. I know you're having fun.
Mm-hmm.
Well, where you want to start? You want to start in the back or the front?
Somebody's got to steer.
Well, that's the easy job. I'll do the easy job. I'll steer. No, we probably got to go forward, right?
Oh, you can probably back right up in the driveway.
This thing won't turn for nothing. This is a damn Corvette, man.
It's a nice heavy.
They're horrible.
This is why I don't own Chevrolet. Listen, see that little stump? Don't hit it. You'll wipe your front end out.
It won't go past that. I guarantee you that. All right, let's see what we got.
Yeah, seriously.
Don't hit that thing.
Wipe this thing out.
So we got to do this quick.
Go for it.
Wow, I almost hit that stump that he was saying not to hit. Well, at least I'm driving the damn thing. Everything looks good. The gauges and the temperature. There we go. One less thing in the dash. That was fun. Okay. Let's see. Okay. That was fun. That's a good first day. It's a good first day. Starts right up. Very nice. The window rolls up. At least one window does. I don't know what's going on with this one. All right, guys, so that was it for today. Got it running, got the new battery in it, and the clutch is stuck. So I deal with that another day. And the first thing I'm gonna do is do burnout. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. And those tires are gonna be gone. Oh yeah. Safety first. That's all I got. Oh shoot. Hey, at least I know it works. I have no clue about Corvettes or what I'm about to do. I'm hoping, I don't know what I'm hoping. Let me just go under there and see what I see. So I got my assistance from my dad. He's always laughing about me and my projects.
Well, hurry up and get it.
Yeah. No, it's okay. Oh yeah. It's a lot. Now it feels like a clutch.
You can feel it pushing the clutch.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Whoops.
You got to turn it.
Yeah.
I got it. I can see it.
Look at the batteries popping out. Oh yeah, I put it in reverse.
How do you?
Look at that. No, just point, Wing. Just point.
It's on now?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh.
It got traction control. Wait. There we go. What if I can do a second gear burnout? No power. He fixed the reverse! Now the reverse works! Look at that! What? Look at this! Backwards! I'm telling you,
Well,
the best thing is the smell of burnt tires and it will fix your car. You have a problem with your car, you do a burnout, it'll fix it. But you want another burnout. Hey,
One
you
more.
wanna do a burnout?
one more. Go ahead.
This is, one more. I can't believe we fixed this car already. That's all we needed.
Hey, it's ready to race.
I don't know about that. I can't believe we fixed it damn reverse. All right. Let's see the clutch.
It's not leaking either.
It's not leaking either. See, that's all you need. I always said it. All you need is a good burnout, right, Wayne? Oh, it's a good burnout and it's ready to go. Well, now we gotta fix everything. I gotta change the tires. I gotta fix this thing. I gotta find a bracket for this. I gotta fix that.
You gotta change the race.
Jesus, I gotta change this. Woo! This is gonna be a nice project, but man, I'm having a ton of fun.
Probably the only thing wrong with it needs to be run.
That's it.
Needs smoked tires.
Hey, Wayne, you want to ride it? It's a Chevy.
Man, I wouldn't let nobody catch me in that. Hey, but I'll drive this all day long.
All day long, right, Wayne? Well, guys, that's it. It's fun and fun from now on with this thing. We're gonna do some burnouts, and it just needs to be probably do a spark plugs and all the stuff on it. It's a little mess.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
It's either injector or
Clean this up already. I hear someone. Oh no! Look who's here! Hey! 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 Hey!